Hi there, hi everyone. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyva block. In the additional, not in today's newspaper of well, it's actually yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday, Saturday, October the 29th, 2022. It's actually today, Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. And yeah, in the yesterday's newspaper, I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition a while ago, October the 7th, 2022. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, and now it's the time. Now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. All right, and this will be number 5406. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yes, it's also indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. 15 minutes faster. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see the single box is already filled in. Then with the 1, the next question, dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes. I see here the quadra box contains the 1 and 2, the 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Here we have a quadra box in an L shape. Alright. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box. Wait. That box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. The 1. Then the following shape that you need to recognize is the Z construction or the Z shape. Well, when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah. Rotate it. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? Nope. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Oh, overlook this one. The previous figure or shape. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Let me finish the L shape. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. This box has the same. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Of course, it's connected with those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left in this Z construction. Construction for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Almost finished. Oh. Okay, let me have a break. Right. Let me see. I see here 3 boxes surround the 1. So these 3 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore, because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, it should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then 2 numbers are left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, we have a 3 now. So this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Then this box can be a 1. Oh, wait. Let me wait. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, need to mark those. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those again. This is a 2 and a 4, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Come on. It's taking too long. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box. 4 numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, 3 and 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, need to wait, come on, it's taking too long, well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, missing the 5 here. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. That means that the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Also, that box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 over here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. 3 and 4, well, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and the 5. Alright. And then 2 and 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? We have a double 5 here. Yes, definitely a 4 now. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a 3 there, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and well, we will meet again maybe later on in the evening. I will do the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. Cannot promise you, we will see. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.